Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 31st August 2024. Reliance Jio's introduction of 100 GB of free cloud storage could disrupt the dominance of Google One and iCloud in India. Jio's offer is set to challenge the current pricing models of Google One, which is at Rs 130 for 100 GB, and iCloud, which is at Rs 75 for 50 GB, potentially prompting these services to reduce their prices. This move is part of a broader trend where Indian companies like Ola are competing with Western giants by adopting local solutions, which has already led to significant price reductions in services like Google Maps. Market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India has changed the criteria for entry and exit of stocks in the derivatives segment. Under the new rules, the regulator has raised the median quarter sigma order size over the previous 6 months on a rolling basis by 3 times to Rs 75 lakhs from the existing Rs 25 lakhs, citing that the average market turnover is now over 3.5 times the figure during the last review. The government has notified the Securities Contracts Regulation Amendment Rules 2024. As per the amended norms, the applicant companies desirous of getting their securities listed on a recognized stock exchange in an international financial services center are now required to offer at least 10% of their equity shares or convertible debentures to the public, irrespective of the post-issue capital. Prices of active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs have been declining over the past several months, boosting the margins of drug manufacturers. However, many industry insiders attribute this to a predatory pricing strategy by Chinese companies, and they believe that stability in prices is still a long way off. The Revenue Department in the Finance Ministry has formed a panel headed by Vk Gupta, Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, to simplify the decades-old IT Act. In its preliminary discussions, the panel focused on rationalizing exemptions, raising the computation methods to global standards, and making the appeal system less cumbersome. During discussions over the past few days and supervised by the Central Board of Direct Taxes Chairman Ravi Agarwal, it emerged that more than 90 sections of the 1961 law have lost their relevance. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.